In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop videos in Google Slides. If you want your presentations to run seamlessly without having to restart your videos manually, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. To begin, let's head over to Google Slides, open your preferred browser, and in the address bar type in slides.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, follow the prompts to enter your credentials. Signing in ensures that you can access and save your presentations without any interruptions. Next, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you can see all your existing presentations. But what we want to do now is create a new one, so let's go ahead and click on the blank presentation option. This will open up a new slide deck with a single blank slide. With our new presentation open, let's shift focus to the top toolbar. Locate and click on the View tab. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Slideshow. This action will switch your current view and display your slides in full screen mode, which is perfect for running videos during a presentation. Now that we are in slideshow mode, the trick is to navigate your cursor down to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here you'll see several options. Look for the three dots often referred to as the More Options button. Click on this button to access a list of additional features. In the pop-up menu, you'll find the autoplay or loop option. Click on this and you'll see options that allow your slides to advance automatically. Make sure you select the loop feature. This will set your presentation to continuously loop, meaning that any media, such as videos, will replay automatically once they've finished. A quick tip here, before you start your live presentation, it's always a good idea to preview the autoplay function. This way you can ensure your videos are looping as expected without any hitches. If your video pauses or doesn't loop, double check your settings and make sure the loop option is engaged. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly loop videos in your Google Slides presentations. This functionality is useful for creating dynamic and interactive presentations, whether you're in a business meeting or a classroom setting. Remember, practice makes perfect, and running through these steps a few times will help you become more familiar with the Google Slides interface. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful for your next big presentation. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks.